Hello everyone, welcome back to again in my channel. Today I'm in day 2. This are all the videos are making for beginners. This videos is also be very suitable for the beginners. So if you are guys were very beginners to learn the Python programming language using the Django framework, you are also be connected with me to these videos. Okay, I just want to start it. Okay, I just do so start from the urls that first, because here have the something new point also be set up import in these files and other new files, so that I today I just only want set up the any and set up import the any code in this my day 2 classes. Okay, my friends, let's go on the screen. Okay, I just want to import the setting files from Django.conf, and so import the setting. I just want to import the settings in here. It's very important to say it's very important to import the settings, the all the files in our the project. So at the first you need to import the setting in your the project. It's very important. Okay, so that I also be import the setting files in my project, also in my urls files. And again I just want to Django dot conf, and so urls and as static import as static. Okay, I here also be just static urls, this Django configurations. So from here to import this static files. This static files also be needed to import in our the urls that files, because if you want to upload it and so display the static any kind of the like images, any kind of the audio videos, you if you want to display the on your the local server on your the browsers, it's very important to import in here the urls the files. So now I also be import the static files in here, and so now I just do so you command, and so for any functions to click, and then your mouse also be clicking here, and this trick okay, cursors points is the cursors models points is having is showing in here, and so click the here. Okay, now I just want to click in here, and so I want to copy this static setting. Okay, media urls, because this setting, this static, this code is so I want to copy from here this static.py files okay, py python files from this static.py files. So I just to copy that code, and so just paste in here. Okay, paste in here this the urls.py files. It's very important, you are guys, you are all the guys also be so copies from these static files this code, and then the copy and then paste in here. Okay, and then I want to okay, I just want to I just want to copy this code, and then I just took back in here urls this file is next new. I just to make the next new files. This files is this file within this the f1 folders. I just to make this files urls this file, and then okay, and then I just to copy this. This is not needed in here, just needed this, and so again Control Z. Okay, this is not needed. Okay, and so And then I want to this one is fine, and again I just want to okay, back in here urls dot files. This files is the main project began to project within this urls.py files okay. And so again to be the part, and then and include, because the inc include this, I want to include my app ones okay. App one having the created urls to, I just want to include inclu include okay. I just want to include okay, app1 dot urls okay. This is done because okay, because app one have okay, having all urls. I just to create this urls also we created within this app one okay. This app one folders, so that this app one folders having this urls, this created I just created users created urls.py also be included in the main project having urls like a setting having to this urls.py files. It's very important to include this app1 having our apple having the urls needed to include in our the main urls.py okay. It's done. So urls.py as py code is done right now. And so I just to again back in here to my users to created urls.py this okay. App1 having urls.py okay urls. I just to back in here, and then I just to okay, I just to back in here. And so okay, app1 have is again so new folders. I just want to tmplet templates, and then new folders templates also template also main okay. Main have also file is home.html okay. Here have just want to this, and so as one hello this is my new project for beginner okay. One this okay. This HTML files within this main folders. This main folders within of this template folders okay. So now I just want to display this this messages. This is my new project for the beginners. So I just want to display on my browsers. How to display on your browsers this HTML files from using the Python with Django project, using the Python with Django framework. So now I just to back in here views.py files, and so I just do now div okay. I just want to make a functions like a div, and then the home okay, home, and so request 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 okay. And so our return render request request, and so home okay, request, and then and then and then main home.html okay. Because this home.html within this main folders of the template template folders. Okay, so now I just to click this, and then again because urls to display the that's htmls to htmls all the content front end content on your browsers to handle this urls.py files, so that recently pats patch, and so home because part is not from dot views, because so why you just not to from the app one import the views, why not to type in here, because within this app one same folders having this urls.py views.py, that recently users to type this for from dot views import so home. Okay, import the home, and so and then and a name also be just to give the home. Okay, and then I just to tap this, then here I just to back in here, and then you can see guys, see the my begin b c d b e g n begin